So in this video, we're going to have a look at how we can create our own custom animations using the rig that is included with the toolkit. So this is of course for the more advanced users who would like to create their own animations. For that we have a rig available as well. Right now we cannot see the rig by default. To turn that on, we need to go to the Character Studio, go to Rig Controls and click on Show Hide Rig Controls in here. And there we have our rig. And in here, it is quite self-explanatory here. All you need to do is basically pick any of these controls and move them around. So what I'm going to do in here, I'm going to show you how you can create a quick animation where the character raises his hand. So I'm going to hit P on my keyboard in here, keyframe that, and go to where I want that to raise, and then simply drag it to raise into position. And then we can do small things in here like create an arc so that the animation looks nice. And there it is. So this is how you can use the animation, create your own animations using the rig. And I'm going to quickly smooth this out using F9. So select the keyframes and click F9 on my keyboard to smooth that up. With that said, we can have a look at some more features that the rig actually has. So if we go to the Character Animation Suite and we go inside of the left hand in here, we can see that we have some features in here under secondary controls. We can have a look at the goal left hand in here. So if this is turned on, the hand will always stay horizontal. It will always have a goal, so even if you rotate it, it will always stay the direction that you rotate it in. So for instance, just pick that control and rotate it like that. As you can see, it will always stay since it has a goal to look at basically. And if we hit 0 on that, we can turn that back. While if that is off, the hand will actually, so let's actually remove these keyframes from here for now. So if that is turned off, the hand will actually look where the wrist is looking. So it will look in the natural position of the hand, as you can see, of the arm. The next thing is things related to the left elbow. If we open that up, we can switch the elbow to look at a different direction, as you can see. And then we can also tweak the elbow position. But to do this, we need to be in the smooth rig instead of the rigid rig limbs. So let's go into that rig. So let's go to the Character Studio, and under rig controls, we can actually switch to a smooth limbs rig. In this case, it is in a rigid rig, as you can see. If we click this, and as you can see now, it is in the smooth rig. In that case, it will show you a new control in here, which is to tweak the elbow. So in this case, you can even like tweak the elbow's position, etc. So that's for the rig. Now, of course, any feature that is available under the left hand and right hand in here is also available in the feet. So if we open the right foot in here, for instance, you will also under secondary controls find the goal right foot, and under right knee you will also find the right knee clockwise, etc. And in here you have another feature specifically for the foot, which is in this case the right foot horizontal position, where you can even tweak the position of the feet in there. So those are the things that you can use. Of course, you can even animate the tail, and that can be done from within the Character Studio. And right under tail, you can like animate the rotation using that wheel in there as well.